Okay, hello everyone, this is Zach here. Alright, just want to do a quick sound check, please. Okay, let me just try out my sound first, okay? Make sure everything is fine before we start. Okay, I think it's okay, right? My sound. Okay, so for those that who are with me in this section this morning, so first of all, thank you for joining me. If you are here, appreciate if you type a one for me so that at least I know that you are watching together with me. Okay, in this section here, and of course today, as usual, just want to do a quick update. What is going on overall in the KRC market? KRC actually break higher. Okay, so well, hopefully you continue to retest the neck resistance, and yeah, let's see. As we looking for short to mid term opportunity, is there any things that we can actually look into or not? Okay. So as for today, constructions is okay. Consumer product services looks like trending higher as well. So probably just going to close my SNR so you can see a better one. Okay, so continue to do pullback. This is consumer product and services. Energy, okay, energy also here a bit of resistance, but looking good. Some of the oil and gas companies actually doing pretty nice. We have let's see any other things that I can look into. Okay, plantation recently a bit quiet. Okay, a bit quiet, but also trading very nicely. Okay, at above the 40-day moving average. We have property. Okay, property yesterday also some of them actually should. I think Massing is one of them. Okay, but now I don't have any property lah. So the one that actually moving sideways still is technology lah. Okay, so if you look at like Me Technovation, Inari moving up a little bit, but overall still in a very slow pace. Most of them they are still in discount side. Okay, so hopefully we will see the breakout at the major trend, and we'll see a nice trend coming in very, very soon. Okay, transportation and logistics also okay doing a pullback nicely at the 20 MA. So yeah, this is some of the quick one okay on what is going on right now in KRC market. Okay, so mostly they actually follow KRC, trying to break on the next resistance. Okay, now well, let's go into some of the stocks that I find interesting. Okay, so this is RGT tag. Okay, the one that actually posted in the Telegram earlier on. Okay, RG tag. Okay, actually it's RG tag. So I think I do mention RG tag in more of my video, like Facebook or Telegram. Okay, but subsequently forgot to follow up because too many stocks sometimes. Okay, focusing other counters. Just actually I just realized because they actually appeared in seafood stock ideas. Okay, yesterday towards the closing. So only I realized that okay, yeah, they actually make a pretty nice closing. Okay, so here you go. Okay, we have this hammer as support. Okay, S1 over here. Okay, high volume completes pullbacks, and looks like today they are trying to retest at the near support. Okay, probably on around the 20-day moving average. Okay, so of course today similar like Zantat. Okay, I'll talk about Zantat later on as well. Potentially they might retest again, okay, nearby towards the support level. So for me, if let's say today candles remains to be narrow, low, volume remains to be low, I think still worth to look into it. Okay. So all right, let me know who is joining me. Okay, by typing a one for me. Okay, my sound is okay. You type okay for me. Okay, just want to check to ensure that. Okay, so again, if you like what we do so far, appreciate and give it a thumbs up. Help me to share this out. So before I proceed further, just a quick reminders over here. I'm not doing any buy and sell call in this section. If you trade any stocks that we discussed in this video, okay, make sure you go on trading plan. So that's why I have mine over here, my supports, resistance. Okay, so for those that who need help on trading plan, about support resistance, okay, do check out our seafood apps. Okay, so that's why we develop this so-called support resistance to help you all. Okay, so of course some of you probably no need to use this SNR because you're already expert. Yes, no issue as well. This SNR, the way that I design, okay, is mainly to help those, especially those new traders. Okay, because when they join, of course you will learn SNR, but sometimes you didn't have a clue or guidance. Okay, so probably this one will help you out. Of course, from time to time, the patterns, everything will change. So that you have to change your strategy as well, especially SNR. Okay, so if you needed to, you just ask me. I will try my best to explain to you, okay, how it works, or is there any time that you need to use different SNR rather than this SNR? Okay, but hello Stephen, good morning. Okay, hello Jay, good morning. But of course, I think yesterday or this morning, okay, we do discuss about putting SNR into the post. Okay, now there are a few reasons why I don't like to do it. Okay. Okay, SNR, first of all, SNR. Let's talk a little bit more on SNR before I proceed further. Or if you get any stocks that you want me to review, just comment below. Okay, so we can look into that later on. Okay, so I think SNR I do explain all the time, right? So SNR actually is a zone, okay, and definitely it's not a price level. Okay, so what it means, okay, like for example, sometimes when I say that, oh, this RG tag, right? Let's do the RG tag right now. Okay, this RG tag, okay, resistance is 375. Okay, but it's not only 375. We have to look into this whole area. Okay, because this whole area, like I said, the shadow area normally is also resistance. So from 365 to 375 actually is the resistance. Okay, so if you get what it means, okay, if you can type a one for me. Okay, if you agree, type a one for me. Okay, just to ensure that everyone here. Okay, my line is a bit slow. Okay, I'm not sure whether it's my light is on or not. Okay, can I see the chat? Okay, yeah, mine just let me look from here. Okay, thank you, Stephen. Okay, no much of feedback. Okay, so all right. Okay, now let's say SNR is a zone, it's not a price level. Okay, so that first, okay, the reason why sometimes I don't want to post it into the group directly, okay, because I want you to check yourself and then study yourself. Okay, now the next thing is that because this is a real experience that I experienced before, I remember like 2 3 years ago, I can recall. Okay, 2 3 years ago, there's one of my member, right, asked me about SNR. Okay, so I can't recall it's the stocks already lah. So let's call it stock A lah. He bought stock A. Okay, this members over he bought stock A. Okay, okay, wait because my line is not that good. Okay, so I cannot see the. Hopefully there's comments here. Okay, never mind. Okay, stock A. Okay, uh, he asked me to review the chart. Of course, I take a look at the chart, and then he told me that, okay, what is the potential TP? Okay, from these stocks. Okay, then I checked. Okay, it's around like RM2. Okay, I said that, oh, you can look into RM2 ringgit. Okay, actually I forgot the price, but the story is like that. So I look into it. I said, oh, 2 ringgit is the resistance. So you might want to take profit. Okay, from here. Okay, so that's why I said. So after a few months, we meet up again, and then he said that, hey, can you help me to take a look into this chart again? I said, okay, fine. The time I think it dropped lah. Okay, again I cannot remember what exactly is the price. Okay, so let's assume 1.4 it dropped already. Then I asked, okay, hey, I think should be fine because you should be able to take profits the other day before it dropped because it went up and it dropped. Okay, after that, okay. So, but he said, oh, I didn't manage to sell that. Okay, because it told me it's 2 ringgit. Okay, but the price it only hit 1.98. Okay, before it dropped to 1.4. Okay, before it dropped to 1.4. So that's what I mean. Okay, so sometimes especially for new traders, okay, because group a lot of people, right? Group a lot of people. Some of them is experts, some of them is new. Okay, so that's why one of the reasons why I sometimes don't like to post it like that. Okay, if let's say I post it like that, people will say, oh yeah, need to hit 2 ringgit only I can sell. Okay, but in the market, okay, but you have to understand this, in the market, the operator, the buyer seller doesn't care whether it's 2 ringgit or not. If let's say it sends something is coming, the seller is coming in, they will sell. Okay, so if you understand this story, if you think that it makes sense, okay, type of A for me. Okay, type of A for me. Okay, so there's a quick one. Okay, to answer about SNR. So like I said, SNR, yes, like it or not, if you wanted to have some edge, you have to study your own. Okay, you start. Of course, the indicators will help you out to confirm to certain way, but still we have to learn ourselves. Okay, so okay, let's do into the others. Okay, so yesterday I think we do talk about few counters. So today just wanna we look into it again. Okay, so success. Okay, one of the stocks that I'm holding right now, but of course this morning, I think it's continued to do a little bit pullback. Holding well, no complaints so far for me. Okay, so let's look into the hourly chart. Oh, hourly chart macam a bit of shakeout is going on. So here, okay, I feel that they are doing some shakeout also. This one. Okay, shakeout. Okay, so now it looks like holding well. Hourly chart around the 20-day moving average. Okay, around the 20-day moving average. Okay, so so far so good for me. Okay, like I said, I got no complaint at the moment for success. Okay, hopefully they can actually break. Okay, coming ready hopefully. So okay, the other one is Pyama. Yesterday keep testing R1. Okay, but cannot break. Okay, in the end they close a bit lower. Okay, today looks like again another pullback stay, but if let's say volumes remains to be low, okay, I think still fine. Okay, no issue so far. Even though yesterday is a high volume, okay, they can't break. Okay, but it didn't show further weaknesses at the moment. Okay, so I think it's still fine. So okay, now signature. Okay, remember this is not by a sell call, this is not by a sell. I just want to share with you. I'm holding this, why I'm still holding, why I'm buying this. Okay, but I may be wrong. Okay, sometimes I need to cut loss. Okay, so well, this is too bad. Signature continually goes up. So sometimes choose the wrong boat. Okay, so this one move faster, that one move slower. All right, so yeah, for those that who are still riding on signature, I think okay. Volume this morning consider high, okay, because this is only the first trading hours. Okay, we got this kind of volume, I think is still pretty good. Okay, so hopefully you can continue to retest the next hour, okay, which is the outro. Okay, good morning, Francis. Good morning. Okay, let me know any other stocks that you want me to review. Okay, just type below. Okay, later on we can take a look into that. Okay, so any other stocks that yesterday we looked at, I think SKP Resources. Okay, yesterday make a nice breakout. Okay, nice volume candles over here. Okay, wow, today continue to challenge resistance also. So okay, yeah, this might be the main resistance they need to cross. The next one is R2. I think R2 should not be an issue. Okay, for them to cross because of the volume is so good. Okay, if you miss this, I like me, I miss this lah. So cannot do anything because it's very far already. So I prefer to focus there. Okay, now VS I think slightly better. Okay, because they are still around this resistance area. Okay, and they are very close to 20 MA. Okay, they are very close to 20 MA. I think yes, potentially. Okay, again, not sure, but potentially I think we can slightly aim around this outro area as well. Okay, for this BS. Okay, because reversal high volume with a pullback. Okay, reversal high volume with a pullback. All right, so that's again from yesterday what we discussed in the Telegram. Okay, any other things that we discussed in Telegram? Sorry, sometimes too many stocks, so I forgot. Okay, EMCC. Okay, like Tech, I also forgot to follow already, but it's okay lah. Got too many stocks also quite difficult to monitor. This one EMCC, still haven't come with confirmation yet. Okay, prefer to have a confirmation on the hammer candle. Okay, so that we will ensure that it's a pullback complete, like what happened on Tech, VS, those time. Okay, any others? EMCC success. Okay, I think I called success already. Okay, hopefully Wangtel also worth to look into it. But I hope volume coming in higher today. Okay, today so far down bar but low volume. Okay, very low volume. Of course, now it's the first trading hour, still too early. But like I said, the background everything is quite fine for me. Okay, this one just need to wait a little bit of time. Okay, Zentat. Okay, Zentat shakeout. Okay, I haven't entered yet, but I was looking for some opportunity here. Okay, so here is the this one not support resistance because it's a new IPO stocks. Okay, normally my support resistance only works if there is a 45 days or 60 days of data. Okay, but this one only 2-3 weeks lah. So that's why I don't have enough data to calculate the SNR. So I think better to have at least like 2 months kind of data, okay, for me to calculate the SNR. So this one, yeah, I have to use the visual. I have to use our own based on our own experience here. So okay, now here is a shakeout area. Okay, I think it's good as long, like I say, it's not a sideways shakeout. I tend to like it. I tend to like it. Okay, so yesterday volume is great. I think it's fantastic. Okay, so of course I'm a stingy kind of trader. Hopefully I can get somewhere around here. Okay, hopefully I can get somewhere around here. Okay, so that's my aim for Zantan. Okay, so the other one that I posted this morning, okay, KGW. KGW, the reasons why is that reversal. Wow, so fast one I hit R2. Okay, this one looks like yeah, but I was waiting for some pullback to happen. Okay, let's see how's the closing today. Let's see how's the closing today. This one I think got some potential here. Okay, for KGW. Okay, kind of similar Upstart as well. Okay, yeah, I always forgot about Upstart. Okay, Upstart also slowly slow and steady type. This is the long-term downtrend. Okay, hopefully they can stay above the downtrend. Okay, so far the one that come with a very strong reversal, I think previously we mentioned like CPE Tech, LGMS, Enox. Okay, we can look into that as well. Okay, all these I didn't really follow because some of them actually break out a little bit high already. So now that's why from time to time we do this kind of review. If I spotted any news, then I would just switch around. Okay, this one, okay, this one's I think still got a chance. Okay, but I want the price to go back to better like 255 or 260 area. Okay, EIB. Okay, EIB getting boring lah. So this one also today I might do some losses. Okay, cut some small losses and then just move on to other stocks. Okay, because lots of good counters right now is happening in Bursa. Okay, let's say in this stock we have for me data. I got Wells, Wellspring and BJ Pro. Okay, so if you want to, I can go into my trade signal as well. Okay, type A if you want me to go to my trade signal. Okay, if not, probably we can close our section later on. Okay, also comment below any stock that I need to review. Let's start with Theta first. Okay, so Theta volume going lower. I think this is like a healthy pullback for me. So possible entry level on pullback. Okay, so for me, as long as above this S1, close with this S1, I think should be quite fine. Okay, close to this S1 should be quite fine. Currently, if let's say based on risk reward ratio, not too bad. Okay, of course, like I say, always careful on this kind of shadow because this area here is a resistance zone. Okay. Okay, again, just wanted to re-emphasize again. Okay, I cannot promise it will hit here, reverse. Okay, sometimes it will hit in the zone and come back. Okay, so make sure you calculate your risk. Okay, very important is the risk that you want to take or not, and then potential reward. Okay, so well, this hammer, small hammer here, a holding ball at the moment. I do see low volume pullback. So yes, okay, like I said, entering nearby this area should be quite safe for you. Okay, current setup, I think yeah, no much of the weakness. Of course, here got some profit taking, so maybe this kind of pullback is expected. Okay, this kind of pullback probably is expected in the market. So maybe few weeks they're going to hit the 20 MA before they try to go into the other uptrends. Okay, so yeah, that's okay. Later I go to my trick signal as well. So let's look into Wellspring. Okay, I'll look into Pokong, KLK, SKP. SKP resources just now will be covered. If I got time, I will do that again. Okay, and 9. Okay, now Wellspring. Okay, if let's say stay above this level, I think it's okay. It's fine. Yesterday going to the resistance volume consider high, okay, increasing compared to all this and there's no shooting star like this candle. So I think yes, there is a momentum's going on, okay, for Wall Street, okay. But like I said, I think yesterday, is it FJ? I think it's FJ, right? The one that mentioned about Wall Street, right? So while this kind of stock usually I tend to be more careful because yeah lah, it's a pump and dump type. Okay, pump and dump type. Okay, so if let's say you enter this kind of stock, must expect about this kind of movements of time. Like Ultronic also lah. When they goes up, they can goes up very high, but once they stop already, the downtrend tends to be like very fast. Okay, but yeah, this is the accumulation area. So if they stay above this level, I think yeah, this is considered like they are trying to go into the next trend from accumulation. Okay, potentially here the main one. Okay, BJ crop. Okay, let's take the BJ crop. Okay, BJ crop. Oh, today got volume coming in already, KC. That would be more interesting. Okay, so BJ crops. Okay, this is long-term reaccumulation. Okay, the pattern is way like that. Shoot up, deep pullback, shoot up, deep pullback, shoot up, deep pullback. Okay, but slow and steady type. Okay, I think like KC, you are looking for those that mid long term suitable for you. Okay, because the setup is there. Okay, the accumulation is there. Okay, but just that yeah, sometimes because this stocks the volume not that consistent, so that's why needs a lot of patience. Okay, so if let's say based on daily chart wise, okay, I think here will serve me as a nice support area. Okay, so this looks like a shakeout area. So hopefully today they close at least 30 cents or above. Volume now is high already, consider high already. If let's say they're able to close 305, I think would be quite nice. Okay, probably they can continue to retest at the next resistance level. Okay, so yeah, for me, yes, it's a good stocks. Okay, or good stuff to look into. Okay, for BJ Crops. Okay, let's look into Bogong. Hey, Bogong gap down. I didn't realize that yesterday. This is on Tuesday. Okay, actually, Go I don't really focus a lot. Okay, so we got a gap down, but volume is average. It's not considered high. Okay, I think short term wise will be a bit weakening already because of the gap down. But major weakness, no lah. I can really tell that it's a major weakness. Here we got some high volume. Who's the one asking? Stephen, right? So I'm not sure, Stephen, you're looking for entry exit. If let's say you're looking for entry, the pullback is happening right now for Bogong, but I didn't see any because of the gap down, I don't like it. Okay, I don't see any like further strength to confirm the pullback is solid. Okay, bar west, we also have some gap down, but volume is low. Domain, okay, I have to check domain because I think they are the typo in this case over here. Okay, we also got gap down, but volume is not that high. Oh, you're looking for exit. Okay, hopefully you are not buying at the top. Okay, the other day when they shoot up. Exit wise, okay, I'm not doing any buy and sell last Stephen, but okay, if you are looking for momentum kind of trading, I think yeah, you actually break this period support already. Okay, but if you are planning to ride on the long-term trend, okay, actually for me this S2 is the next support. Probably they will make a deep pullback, goes up. Okay, deep pullback and goes up. Okay, because of the gap down, like I said, normally don't really like gap down. It's similar like gap up. Like gap up is a good sign. Okay, to tell you the stock still got momentum. Gap down, in the other hand, is that telling you the stock is slightly weakening. Okay, slightly weakened. Okay, but of course it's still above this support. Maybe major support is somewhere around here. Okay, if you are looking for long terms, okay, if you are looking for long terms, um, you want to ride the trend, okay, I think still fine. But if you are looking for short term, actually they break this pure support already. So maybe here, it will raise some of your opportunity for the next trades. Okay, so that's my view on this. Okay, all right. So I can't give you an answer because in the same time I don't see any further weaknesses in the chart. Uh, just that if let's say you are looking for short term, I think yeah, probably you want to think to switch around the stocks. Like just like my EIB lah. Okay, my EIB also. Actually, I don't see any weakness in EIB. Okay, I still think that they are doing a nice pullback here with couple of this reversal, but just that I feel the trend is weakening, the volume is disappearing. It's gonna take a lot of my time. I switch. Okay, switch. Okay, so Pokong KLK, let's look into KLK. I think KLK, if you mention about KLK, normally it's for long term lah. Correct me if I'm wrong lah. So if let's say in this case, weekly chart is the best one. KLK is still riding on 20 and 40-day moving average. Okay, so from here, yeah lah, continue to ride on this so-called sideways or trend here. So resistance, currently is hitting resistance. Okay, but it's forming like a triangle pattern. Is similar with what happens to P metal, if I'm not mistaken, or Tenaga. Okay, so once break here, yeah, you will see a new trend coming. Okay, but so far, I think for if let's say you're assuming you're doing long term, I think long term wise is still okay. Right? Let's do into P metal. P metal I haven't entered yet. Okay, drop with low volume. Okay. And I'm still hoping that they will touch the 20 MA. So not P metal. I can't recall what stocks already. Is it the Naga? The Naga, this is weekly chart and not the Naga. Okay, never mind, I forgot it. If I remember, I'll let you. Okay, but anyway, like I said, they are in the accumulation resistance. So once they break, we will see a nice trend like this. Okay, like for tonight, for KLK. Okay, let's look into the others. Okay, SKP resources. I think just now we covered, but okay, let's look into that again. Okay, probably I will cover Naim and Daya. Okay, so later I can go into my stock alerts. Okay, no pullback. I was expecting pullback, but no pullbacks. Okay, so let's look into hourly chart. Okay, so not sure you're looking for entry or exit. Okay, let's say you're looking for entry. Risk to reward is not that nice anymore. Not ideal, but based on chart, I don't see any further weaknesses yet. Okay, so the next resistance currently is trying to break this resistance. Yeah, currently is resistance. But gap some more here. So probably you want to watch out this level. Okay, if let's say this level here, hourly chart of shooting star, then you know what to do. Probably you take some partial profits. Okay, or maybe you avoid first if you're looking for entry. So wait for the hourly chart to do a little bit pullbacks. Okay, then look for it. Look for opportunity again. Okay, Naim. Looking for exit. Looking for exit now is the I think one of the closest resistance. Okay, so normally what I do, okay, let's say it hit resistance, again, just my opinion. Not doing any buy and sell call. If let's say it hit resistance, but in the same time I don't see weakness, okay, I take partial profits. Okay, so at least I keep some to see whether they got a chance to cross above or not. Okay, because support resistance, yes, is for us to see have a guidance, but sometimes it can break on, right? So for me, I don't want to risk myself. Okay, so whenever it hits already, I see okay, yeah, no weakness, still got momentum, volume, hourly chart, everything still fine. I take partial profits. Okay, so all right, Naim, yeah, I think Naim also cantik lah. Okay, this is a bit similar like VCP breakout. Okay, so 3 wave of our VCP here. So this is like a first pullback. Okay, so volume is getting lower. Okay, I think the sell is still valid. Okay, breakout above reaccumulation from VCP, first pullback. Boring market, yeah, I agree. Today, nothing exciting. It seems like a bit slow day today. Okay, of course, this is still first hour. Hopefully, afternoon will get more exciting. But it's a good day, okay, to look into some of the stocks that maybe will form more pullbacks. Okay, so like I said, I was watching Zantat. Hopefully, I don't know. Yeah, we don't drop lower, it's okay. Okay, MTech. So I forgot MTech also. MTech yesterday got a bit high volume, but closing not so nice. But MTech still can watch out. Okay, nine also exit. Okay, nine also exit. Nine also exit. But what's your entry price? But I assume you are in profits, right? Hmm. Okay, can sell towards the resistance. Here got some high volume. Okay, maybe it will hit several times before they break. Okay, but overall setup wise, I don't think I do see weakness at all. Okay, so maybe you want to sell some partially. Okay, and let's see what happens. Okay, so okay now for the rest of my time here, probably we'll look into some tricks thing, but like Wong said, today a bit boring. Okay, so far like this morning have been boring. Okay, let's say anything that we can actually further add into our washes or not. Okay, so okay, BJ Crow, I think just like Casey mentioned, yes, do a shakeout, worth to look into it. Well, if let's say close above 305, okay. P Energy, oh, P Energy yesterday quite good closing. P Energy can come back and look into it again. So the other day, I think somewhere around here during the last week, I think the Iran and Israel, right? They say got wars, right? They try to go up, but in the end they close lower. Okay, so I avoided. Okay, didn't do anything. But looks like this S1 here, they respect you very, very well. Okay, right now. Yesterday closed with high volume. Okay, closed with increasing volume now. So, well, this is like a pullback complete for me already for PNG. Okay, so PNG, we continue to study. Okay, the cover. Ah, not too bad also, but volume very high over here. Okay, this one not too bad. 40 MA pullbacks. Okay, 40 MA pullbacks. Okay, any others? QL resources. This is for those who love long term. Wow, QL also got strong momentum. Okay, let's get into weekly. Wow, this one. This is similar like this time who asked me already. There's one KLK. KLK. Similar like KLK. So they're also doing something like triangle. Okay, and then they break the resistance. So once break resistance, you got a very good momentum already. Okay, so like for me, I kind of weak in FA. So let's go into FATA. Okay, my FATA here, Petrosky F score 7 out of 9. So yeah, QL definitely is a good FA stocks. Okay, the other one is KLK. I think KLK also considered a good FA stock, right? Oh, okay, only 4 out of 8. Okay, 4 out of 8. Okay, so yeah, maybe I just stick with my P metal. Hopefully, my P metal got chance. Okay, any others? Any others? Going back to daily charts. KUB, okay, RGT. Just now we are looking into RG Tech. This is RGT. Okay, PTT. Oga Bio's coming back. Okay, PTT volume is not that consistent. Okay, don't really like that. Oga Bio is doing pullback. Okay, is doing a pullback. Okay, so this is like a accumulation. Okay, previously we have this. Okay, high volume, change the trend, break, first pullback. Okay, so this is a first pullback after the break from accumulation. Okay, so yes, definitely worth good monitor. Okay, actually I think overall for so far right now we are going into May already. So far, I think Bursa overall the chart pattern is very healthy. So if you look into like these few days when we do like Facebook, right, a lot of stock actually they are breaking from accumulation, and they are doing a very nice successful test above the accumulation. This is what makes me think that this year probably is a good year, okay, for bulls. I mean, there's opportunity lah, and lots of them actually come from like a bottom reversal patterns. Okay, if you look into like uh, LGMS, CPE Tech, I think Minox, previously we talked about it, Opstar, Iron Coming, KGW, they're also doing a high volume reversal, which is very healthy overall for the markets. So okay, let's look into a few more before we end our section. Okay, so let's say if you think that my this kind of daily section, morning section is helpful for you, yeah, okay, do help me to share this out. Give me a thumbs up, okay, and ask your friends to join our Telegram so our community can grow bigger. So I do appreciate as well if you give me some feedback. Okay, what's the things that you think I need to include in my life? Okay, to improve my section. So like I think Joel, okay, Joel, you are here. Thank you for your feedback, but I try my best to do it because I say I'm only the one that who posting it, in the review. So sometimes also, I don't have much time to reply in Telegram. So that's why I purposely ask my programmer to build this support resistance. Okay, hopefully, like I say, this one can help you out. Okay, so try out Sifu apps, try out how this support resistance. Okay, of course, the stock idea do help me to spot some of the potential trade as well. Okay, like today I think P Energy we have to look into it. RG Tech, just like RG Tech, this is RGT. Okay, a bit confusing on this book. Okay, no deep pullbacks yet. Okay, but also like high volume at the bottom. Sunritz, nothing much today. T7 Global. Okay, I'll look into two more before we close. So, AZRB, sure, AZRB, ATMS, and Fiamma. Okay, so yeah, three more before we end our section. Okay, so T7 Global we got a shakeout, but so far I think T Energy is slightly better. So okay, let's look into AZRB. Oh yeah, the other one is Powers. How can I forget Powers? Okay, we look into Powers as well. Now, AZRB shakeout. Okay, here we got a big shakeout. Here we got a small tiny shakeout above gaps. So, well, if let's say around 235, okay, both look into it. But okay, probably this is for warm but maybe this one I will skip lah, because I was trying to focus Zantat today. Okay, if let's say I cannot get Zantat, probably I will come back to AZRB if let's say there's opportunity. But so far, I think the setup is pretty good. Okay, at least got chance to retry resistance. Okay, I cannot say guarantee, but the range I think is pretty good. At least like I think 10% from here. Okay, 10% from here. Okay, two more before we end our section. ATMS. I think they are following SKP resistance and PS. Oh, okay. Not the best one. Okay, not the best one. If you ask me, I would rather focus PS. Okay, this one the trend is still not strong. Yes, yesterday it do come with up bar, but the volume I don't think is strong enough. It's increasing volume. Okay, and if I look into this area over here, right, the shakeout yet to complete as well. Okay, here we got first round. Okay, first round. Then here probably doing the second round shakeout. Okay, of course you can enter, but expect a little bit of sideways like in this range. Okay, a little sideways in this range. Okay, if let's say you want to do some momentum type, okay, above the shakeout zone, I think it's better, so that they can test somewhere on this resistance area again. Okay, so far for me, VS slightly better. Okay, in terms of chart setups. Okay, last one, Fiamma before we end our section. Okay, how's Fiamma right now? Okay, So Fiamma now is going first hour lah. First hour for me, volume hopefully volume remains to be low. Okay, for me, nothing much to talk about Fiamma right now because yes, it's a down bar, but still early. Okay, today's still early. I don't think there's a weakness yet in the chart. So like I said, if let's say volumes remains to be low and the candle still narrow, okay, or above somewhere around 105, okay, I think still fine. Okay, still can hold for me. Okay, just that too bad lah. Sometimes really choose the wrong boat between signature Fiamma, we go for Fiamma. Okay, signature continue go up higher. Okay, so now currently at R1. Okay, so with this, thank you for joining me in this section here today. So, like I said, if you want to join my Telegram, I will Telegram channel and groups. If you prefer more discussions with me and other members, go to the groups and we have some discussion over there, okay, on daily basis. All right. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next sections.